Hi everyone, this is Liz from Laptop Battery Express. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Carbon laptop. The link for this laptop's battery can be found in the video description below. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a coupon code used only at laptopbatteryexpress.com. First, what you'll need is your battery, 2 screwdrivers that come with your purchase, and a litter container to put your laptop battery screws in. Second, you'll want to unscrew each screw and put them in your lid for safekeeping. This should take a couple of minutes. For the convenience of this video, I've already unscrewed the back screws off. Once you're inside the laptop, you will see the battery. Unscrew the place-holding screws carefully. Once unscrewed, you'll want to remove the old battery, set it aside, place the new battery carefully in and plug it in. Screw your new battery in and replace the back of your computer. Once you've screwed your back on, you'll be all set to power on your computer. Thank you for tuning in, and you can find the products used in this video in the link in the description below.